Namaskar friends. So today you can see what is here on the screen. It is devil card. So today I am going to talk about the devil card because many people asked about me a lot. And before some days I was part of a webinar. So there it comes before me that people have many different kind of thought about this tarot card. The devil card is a beautiful card, and never think it is a block, it is a kind of harm, it is a tragedy or something bad is going to be happen with you. But yes, this is a simple guidance how to make your life better as you are living in present time. So you can see there is a devil, half animal, half human, and two human beings of different genders are strongly tied up by the chains. It means that you can grow. This devil is not created by anyone, it is your own creation because it is your chained habit. This chain is the reflection of your bad habits, your areas where you need to work. So, first ask yourself, what should I do to release that? Whenever this card comes, so it is actually a representation of your bad habits, negative nature, impressions, and everything which is you are doing and it is not suitable for you. For example, some people have habit of coffee, tea, but continuously they are suffering from gastritis, acidity. They do not care about. Some people are too much addicted of cigarette smoking, cigarette, and some people like to consume alcohol. They knows it is going to harm them in future, but at present they find many reasons to enjoy this. These all habits belongs to this card. If you love someone, definitely love is a beautiful feature. Please love, but do not make it a clingness. If it becomes your addiction, if it becomes your chain, if it is blocking you, so definitely it is not your love. It is only a clingness about certain object. So I think this is a small and simple explanation of this card, and this card is saying you can kill that demon, you can kill that devil, but you need to break this chain, and only you can break this chain. No one can help you. You can take help of Reiki healing, meditations, or some kind of therapies, but yes, you can break these chains. You can come out from the grip of devil, but you need to be determined. So I think this is a sufficient and most beautiful way to kill this devil. This devil is before you because you can win. So win over the match. So what you feel about my readings? I hope many people can have a wonderful guidance with the tarots. Hope this will help you a lot. Lots of love. Ritu Kaushal. Om Shanti. Stay happy and blessed, and please use mask because we are not completely free from the other demon. It is corona. Blessings to you, Ritu Kaushal, and please do not forget to write me. Om Shanti. Jai Sai Ram. Bye.